Hello everyone. I still can't believe that we are making 3 slimes in one day. So let's get to the video. In this tutorial, I am going to be using my container since I do not want to mess up such a pretty bowl of milk. So what I'm going to use is Berry Blue Suave Kids. It's also gentle on skin. And this is how to make blue slime. So I'm going berry blue slime. So you're going smooth berry blue slime. So what you're gonna need is salt, warm water, which is might be our slime activator. Berry blue body wash, or berry blue shampoo, or lotion, body lotion or hand lotion. It can be gel, but I highly recommend gel instead of foam because it might activate with the berry blue wash. So when I tell you to stop, you're gonna stop. Okay? So pour it into this bowl.
Where's the baby?
Pour it. Pour it. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stop. Okay, wait. Might as well just pour the whole thing, eh? Okay. So let's keep going. Let's keep going with our slime tutorial. Alright, you want to pop the bubbles for me? Pop it. Pop. Pop. Alright, so we got these cute 2 little hands. Alright, so you're going to add about 5 pumps of lotion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, that's 5. So let's slime it up. You want to mix with me?
Yeah.
You're going to use this. Hold it. Don't cut yourself. I hold it like this. Alright, so you're going to take it and you're going to mix it. Alright, so I'm gonna just keep mixing it and you're just gonna mix it. Alright, can you keep mixing for me? Alright, so we're gonna add our salt water. Keep mixing it. And it's a school night, so I can't wait 2 hours, and because it's 10. So I'm going to keep mixing it. And when we're done mixing it really good, we are going to put it in the freezer. Oh, and also if you think we're lying, every single vlog will be recorded in the morning. All the results will be recorded in the morning. So, yeah. And we're going to put our results for the other slimes I made previously. I mean, in the past. So, in the latest video. In the old videos. So, we're done now. We're done. Take it out. So, just add a few salt water. Okay, that's enough. Alright. And then just shake it around. Shake it around. Shake it around. Alright. Keep shaking it around. Alright, we're done. We're done.
That's slime.
Grab it.
That's
Alright, so we're done adding our slime activator, and now we're going to set it aside in the refrigerator. And so if this slime tutorial worked for you,
you need that.
you have to put it inside your refrigerator overnight. And if it works, let us know in the comments and smash the like button and the subscribe button. And if it doesn't, you can dislike. We understand. Thanks for watching and bye.